Bronte's here. Bronte, I reckon, is in Threadbow at the moment, freezing her tushy off.
Has it snowed there today, Bront? Come on, give us an answer. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Yeah, so anyway, it's cold here. So what we've done is we have given you a special sale today, which is buy two nets of our selected nets that are on sale. Yeah.
So we put 7 of our best-selling knits on sale. There is, I think, about 60 colours between the 7 different styles, and Sandy's put together a rack of her favourite colours. So if you buy 2 or more of these selected knits, it's 30% off, automatically applied at checkout. So Birdie's...
It's way too complicated for me to remember. So
that's why
if you buy 2 or more of any of these knits, it's 30% off at the checkout. You don't have to put a code in or anything. So because it's so cold, we thought we'd give you a little sale. So just going to talk through a few of them. I've got probably one of my faves on. I've got this little vest in different, I think it's the oat or something, but we've got this in lots of colours.
So this is the Found My Friend recycled knit sleeveless cardi from Boho Bird. It's originally $79.95. With the 30% off, it's $55.97. It comes in sizes small to extra, extra large, and we have 7 colours. So there's a beautiful lilac, a navy, a khaki.
And in case you haven't heard, vests are very in this year, so this season, and we've got a lot of them, so check it out. You might find one there or 2, maybe. 2. Which is the deal today. 2 vests or 2 knits of some sort. And now this also comes in a cardi.
Yeah, so that one is not part of the deal, but if you prefer a longer sleeve, there is an option.
So that's not part of the deal, but anyway. Vests are the go, because if you're anything like me, you can actually wear a shorter sleeve underneath it and still feel quite warm, but you know, when you get a bit of that power surge, you can
power surge.
Yeah, have relief with the vest. Then the snuggle up. Everybody loves the snuggle up.
Everyone loves the snuggle up. So this is the snuggle up jumper from Boho Bird. I feel like this is an original style that we have had for
ever.
Ever and ever and ever and ever.
You'd be able to probably fill us in on that one, but I reckon it's 10 plus years.
I think so, 10 plus years.
Yeah.
So if you buy 2 or more of these selected knits, it comes down to $62.97. It comes in sizes 8 to 22, and we are rocking a whopping 16 colours.
16 colours. So that's the one thing we always help you with. When you love one of our styles, we try and bring it out in lots of colours. So there would be the perfect colour there for you. Now that I've just finished my colour thing, you know, you will find a perfect colour in the snuggle up with 16 colours. It's almost like having your own colour palette.
It is.
So let me know if you want me to try any of these on for you, because I can pop them on.
But if you grab the snuggle up, so the beauty about the snuggle up is the asymmetrical hem.
Yes.
So you can ruche it up a little bit. You can let it fall. It's beautiful drape.
You can wear it down lower, or you can wear it up higher. You can tuck it in, even though it's a bat wing, but because it's got this tight through here, you can actually tuck it in. So let me know if anyone out there wants to see it on.
It also has 4.5 stars out of 430 reviews. So we know it's a winner for every bird that tries it on.
Yeah, so that's why we've made 16 colours, because we know you love it.
We might bring back more.
And wait for it, this one, if you think that one had a lot of colours, so does this little baby. This is the Falling For You cardi.
You don't even need me. You know exactly what's on. So this is the Falling For You cardi from Boho Bird. It is originally $99.95, but if you buy 2 or more of selected knits, it's $69.97. We've got requests to pop the snuggle up on.
Okay.
So the Falling For You cardi is down to 5 colours, fully stocked, but there's lots and lots of indent colours. So if you love a colour, look through the options, definitely there.
We've got a little visitor.
And the Falling For You cardi also has 4.5 stars out of 615 reviews. So I do think that the Falling For You probably outdates the snuggle up.
It's not helping that I've got the white on underneath, but I will show you what it does down here. And actually, I can show you what it does on the neckline as well. See how it does this little asymmetrical thing? Look how gorgeous that is. So it has got the bat wing under here, but you can tuck it in. I know, don't look at the white underneath.
Don't look at the white.
But you can, if you want to sassy it up a little bit, you can wear it off your shoulder too, which always looks really good too. I'll try the tuck in so you can see.
And we like to say that the snuggle up creates a beautiful balance because it does have the tighter cuffs at your forearm.
Yeah.
So you're not overwhelmed by fabric.
No, it's good. It's a nice, and see how, then you tuck it in and you can have it just, a bit loose. We've got a friend here and she's doing her best to distract me, but that's okay. I won't be distracted.
She's here for moral support.
Yeah, so that's the snuggle up. Let me know if you'd like me to try something else on, maybe the falling for you.
Yeah, pop the falling for you on.
That because I'm in a...
So Robbie has asked, does it suit a tummy?
Yes, it does, because what it does is it'll sort of, you can cinch it in a little bit lower than the tummy and then the rest leaves it a little bit loose through there, so it's very forgiving through there. Let's do the falling view. Now this is an all-time favourite. I think we've all had one of these in our wardrobe over the years. No? My little friend.
I definitely have.
Hasn't.
Someone has just asked your height, Sandy. We forgot.
Oh, sorry, I forgot. That's what happens when there's no competition and other people trying to beat you. I'm 165 centimetres tall, so average apparently.
And Sandy's in the size 10 of everything today.
Yeah, and this, what I love about this, there's something really quite interesting. It's got like an asymmetrical hem at the back. Can you see that?
Yep, perfectly positioned.
So yeah, really nice. And this is the chocolate brown, but there's lots and lots of colours in this. Lots of colours. Okay, let's go to a little other knit. Here we go. Ooh, these are nice. Now these are from Bird Keepers.
These are, I'm trying to see them. Yes.
Round neck.
Round neck. So these are the Keepers soft round neck jumper.
Yeah.
With the 30% off if you buy 2 or more, they come down to $48.97. And they come in sizes small to triple XL. So that is an 8
that's
to
a double. That's a double XL.
Yeah.
There. And that's a small.
Yeah.
So there you can see. So they're quite long and they've got like this really good little side split down here, which is gorgeous, and great colours. So that's the khaki, I think.
Yep.
Or olive or something.
Yep.
Olive, and that's like the burgundy.
Yep.
Or wine or whatever colour Susie likes to call them.
And I feel like it's a good one. There is a classic black that is definitely a bestseller of ours because it's just it is.
Wait for it. There's more.
You've got 2 separate jumpers there. You're going to confuse them. There's a high lowy.
Oh yes, okay, I get it.
Okay, so
no, put it back.
I was going to say you can balance them on the side if you
go.
want. So
these two.
Yes.
So these are the same as the round neck, but they're a V-neck.
Yes, which is good for what type of
the bigger bust.
The bigger bust.
Bigger busted girls like to have a V-neck, and also you might want to layer, like it's always hot inside, so if you wore a shirt, you could put the V-neck over the top. I've got the navy V-neck in this, and I wear my blue and white stripy linen shirt underneath it, and it's nice. I tuck the little cuffs up over the sleeve, and it just gives you a whole different look. Or you can wear them without.
Yes. So this is the Keepers Soft V-neck jumper. It is $69.95 originally, but if you buy 2 or more of selected knits, it's $48.97. And it comes in small to triple XL, so a good 8 to 22 in that. There's 8 colours fully stocked with lots of other ones partially stocked. And again, it's 4.5-star reviews. Our birdies love this one.
Yeah, so this is a bit more of a fitted fit, right? So then you've got the all-time favourite again. This is a bit looser, and I'm going to put it on so that you can see because it's a bit more of an oversized jumper. Looks great. I've got this one as well, and I just wear it with like a pair of boyfriend jeans, a bit slouchy. So it's got the firmer sleeve, but not too firm. You can see.
Chelsea said hi from home.
Hi, Charles.
So
miss you.
This one is the Keepers high-low V-neck jumper. So as Sandy said, it is just that little bit looser, and it does have a beautiful detail on the arm.
Yeah,
Sandy comes
got
close.
This little bit of detail, like down nice ribbing down the bottom, and this little detail through here on the dropped sleeve. So and I think we've got that in a few colours.
Yes, so we have it in 6 colours. There's a few that are also partially stocked.
Yeah, I'm not even sure what size this one is.
If
my little friend was over there not makeup, she could be helping.
I didn't. It's so good. It has it's a sample, so it could be anything, girls.
Okay, I feel like it's
It might be the large.
Well,
what do you think is the small?
This is the small, so maybe I should just try the small one and see what the difference is. But this is my colour.
It is.
So Anyway, just do that so people can see.
So this one was originally $79.95 with 30% off. It's $55.97. Comes in sizes small to extra, extra large, and 4.5 stars again out of so many reviews.
Oh no, I think that might have been the small because this is the small.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so
she's
they're,
loose.
they're oversized.
Yeah.
And I know when we have sold these at the pop-up shops, people are wearing them a little bit smaller because they're a bit oversized. So that's this little favourite. Now we have another little number from Boho Bird here.
Yes, so this is a newer boho one. We're calling her the sister or cousin to the Snuggle Up. So this is the Crossing the Plains Snuggle Jumper from Boho Bird. It comes
put it on as well.
in 5 colours, originally $89.95, but if you buy 2 or more of the selected knits, it's $62.97. And I feel like this is good. We love a roll neck here.
My little friend keep it quiet.
Little friend is our photographer Mel, who's just popped in for a visit.
She's popped in because she's finished her work.
The fabrication of the vest is 52% recycled poly, 15% acrylic, and then a mix of poly and spandex in there. So it is quite soft, and it is the recycled fabric. I think I grabbed them all from Pygie's core rack, so they're a small or a 10.
Yeah. So yeah, this is. I've just put the green on so you can see. Again, you probably wouldn't wear it with a wider leg pant. You'd probably wear it with a straighter pant or jean, but really, really nice and very comfy. Really soft, not too tight in the arms, and not too tight around the neck.
Yes.
Which is a bit of a. You could probably wear something underneath it if you wanted to, if you like to wear things a little bit higher.
And I think this one in the blurb, we've popped in that it's breastfeeding friendly because the the crossover does crossover.
Time has gone there, but you know, not for me.
Yeah, but we have birds of all ages.
Lots of birdies that are still breastfeeding. Yes, of course. So, what else have we got? That's us.
We hit our 7 knits.
We've done 7 knits. Yeah. And how many colours is this in?
That one is in a magical 5 colours. We have a chocolate, a navy, the green that Sandy has on right now, a black and an ivory.
And you know, if you love it, we'll get it in more colours.
We'll always get it in more colours.
So that's our little mini live today. Hope you enjoyed watching that. So just remember, from our selected knits, if you buy 2 or more, you get 30% off at the checkout. No code required. And I think that goes till midnight tonight. Is that right?
It actually goes until Tuesday 9 a.m. Our long weekend.
You've got the whole long weekend to buy knits.
You could buy all the colours over the long weekend if you so choose, birdies.
So let's hope it's not too cold. Or well, actually, yes. Let's hope.
No, we need a cold weekend for opening of ski season.
Yes, we do.
We've got to hit the slopes.
We're hitting the slopes.
Hitting the slopes. Okay.
All right.
Bye, birdies.
Have a nice long weekend, everybody. Be safe.
See you guys.
Okay. Now I'm like, Chelsea, how do I end this?